Morning to everyone. So, welcome to the weekly forecast of Nifty top 10 stocks and major indexes. So, we'll begin with the gold. So, here in case of gold, we were expecting a buy from the last week or two. If you see the hourly chart, there is like it might be doing something like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there is a correction and there is a new thing has started in this. So, if we apply the Fibonacci to the top from the bottom, okay, from the bottom to this top, it is at 161% now. Okay, is this a minimum? No, we can't say that this is the minimum, but we can accept it to go even to the 261%. That is still a valid scenario. In the earlier we were thinking, or we were expecting the price of gold to go at least to the previous high, that is 1922. It is near 1974 now. Okay, so just I'm removing everything. Now whether it is a valid breakout or not, that we need to consider, whether it is going to make the triangle structure or expanding triangle in the daily structure. So that I need to go for the weekly. Okay, so at this particular point something has ended, and at this particular point something has new started to this upside move. What is that? For example, this is the upside move, right? For this, something has ended at this particular point. This we discussed in the last maybe a month or two before that, like something is started here or something started here. Okay, at this particular point, if we added here is a 1, 2 or 3, 4 or something has went upside. Okay, so here it is the one more ABC. So the time of this to this we need to compare. So it is more, right? A little bit more, maybe a 10% or less than that. Okay, then the equal time, whatever time it took to fall, in that similar time it is made a new high. Okay, this is the weekly structure. So if I want to add in the weekly structure what can be expected in case of gold, so this is the weekly time frame. So we can expect it to go even to the 2400 and 08. Okay, that can be possible view, but a straight way I say no. There it might take some corrections and up and downs, and then it may reach to the level of 2400 also in the weekly time frame. Now if I come to the daily, this is the daily structure, right? So in this particular stage something has started new. So there I'll consider this movement as like a simple A structure or something that of the impulse. So now something started at this particular point or this particular point. So now my new channel will be this. Perfect. Okay. So minimum we were thinking at this price to go 161%. That is 1950. I was expecting 1950 level can be a good price in case of gold, but it went way behind the 1950. Maybe it is nearly 1976 now. So there is a chance it to go at least to the 2000 and 2000 change USD. Okay, so hourly we'll see how the structure is behaving. Okay, if you see hourly, there is a slight the structure is making that of the flat or a triangle, maybe a running triangle or running flat or that of the triangle. Why I'm saying that here is a running flat or a triangle? Because here it took us more time compared to this fall. So there is a chance that this structure is a flat, not a triangle. Okay, as it took more time, you see, this time compared to this fall. So I'm expecting this might be something ended here, because if it is a triangle, the most of the time the structure will be in the equal time. So here it is taking less time, and it is a more time. So may not be the 200% or it may be 200% or more, not 3 4. We'll check that. It's more than 300%. So here it might be the running flat or a complex correction is a possibility in case of gold. So at the end, if I see this only this part, okay, compared to this fall, there is a chance like something has ended here and new has started. So 1 2 3 4, maybe the 5 will go for the upside to complete this structure. After that, maybe 1 2 and 3. So in case of gold, if it is not hitting the level of 938 or not going below 1938, we are going to stay in a buy. So it can be done like a smaller downside than upside. So please don't write anything on the board. So just okay, fine. So in case of gold for the next week, stay in a buy, not to sell. Maybe a small correction can be expected to the level of 965 or 957, but don't go for sell straight away. Wait for that confirmation to sell setup. But as of now, stay in a buy. If it is correcting a little bit, use that opportunity for buy for the upper side, at least like a 2000 and 2020 and 40. Okay, so stay in a buy, not to sell in case of gold. So what about a silver? Similarly, in case of silver, like here, something has ended. Why? Because if I see this moment ABC, some new structure has started at this particular point. So maybe it's a 1 and 2. It's maybe the 3 now. Okay. So earlier we were expecting it to come little bit down compared to this downside moment, because we thought it is a ABC, right? A, B, and C. We were expecting it to come after this flat. But if you compare the time, let me do that for you. So this is a one time. Means this is maybe 100, 100%, 200%, 300%, and 400%. The correction is of 300%, and the structure is of ABC. Okay. But the moment it crossed the 161%, I mean here, so when you will be coming to know that this structure is not going to do the flat is when it crosses 161%. So if you see this is 100%, not that, but at least 100%, and now it is above 161%, means 61%. So here the possibility is more of something started at different part. In the earlier, what we're thinking is wrong. So there our self confirmation will be something started here. So it might be A, B, C, D, and E, a neutral triangular like a structure. Then it given a breakout. It might be 1 and 2. Now whatever the moment is the third wave. Okay. After this correction, it will go one more up. Right. So this is a daily structure. Hourly, what it is showing. Let me check that. So now in the hourly basis, like something has corrected, new has started, means I mean 1 2 3 4 5 acts huge, a sharper fall. So I'm considering this low and this high. Okay. Now what can be expected in case of silver? If it is not crossing the level of downside, that is 22, we are not going to sell in case of silver. Okay. There is a chance it will go to the 80% of this, will be 25 and 26. Then it might go one more up. Or if it is taking some more time, let's say, so here it will be like a triangle and one fall. That will be a simple A, B, and C structure. Okay. If it is not going upside and not crossing the level of 24 USD, it will be correcting and then up, then downside. That may be completing the structure of A, B, and C for the downside. If not, if it is not crossing these trend lines, then it might go one more up. Okay, look for buy setup in case of silver too, not to sell. Crude, yes, it is still in the buy. But earlier we discussed like there is a small correction can be expected in the hourly chart because it is not going as expected, right? So if I see only this part, it's upside. Okay. And if you see this fall also, it is not falling very sharp. See the fall which is coming, it is in the sideways, like it is taking some time. So there is a chance if these kinds of correction you get, so there is a chance the structure will go upside first, then it might go downside, or from here it might go one more up. Okay. Because if you see the correction, it is taking much more time compared to this race. If I see this total movement, let's say this is the movement for the upside and this is the downside. If you see these angles of upside and the downside are looking similar, or the time of this upside movement and this downside movement are similar, or in fact it is more, now it is like the upside, now it is for the downside at this particular point, or at the half time, means equal time, like it is 100% and it is 100%, it started recovering and started moving upside. So what is the structure here it is doing in the crude? It might go a little bit up, it faces a resistance here. If it reverses, then it will go one more down. If not, it will go one more up and touch the high. So this will be the trade plan for the next week. So here I'm taking this because this is the downside and this is the latest two downside structure. Okay, it is in the middle now. So just I'm removing everything, just adding only two lines that might be like here and here, one here and here. It might be the second. Okay. So if it is like correcting this in similar way, let's say if it is again like coming to the downside, there is a chance like it will go one more up before it can go any further down or further up. As per the weekly hourly structure for the next week, it might take some time here. If it is not like, if it is crossing this 40.52, there is a chance like it will face some resistance at upper trend line of this. If not, it will be going to go for 42.75. So here, if I see this only this moment, this is for the buy, like a simple ABC structure again, like a impulse correction and impulse for 41.24, and if it crosses 42, change. If it is in a sideways like this, so there is a chance it will come and go a little bit upper side, maybe the 61% or 80% or even to the 100%, then there is a chance to reverse the structure. So now look for the buy setup, not to sell in case of crude. What about USD INR? Nothing is structurally changed in case of USD INR because it is trading in a sideways. So if I see this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, there is a chance like a zigzag, it will do fine. So it will come little bit up, then a downside. Maybe this is like a total A and B for the downside. C. So look for the sell in case of USD INR. If it is coming to the level of 75 or 75.20, then there is a chance it will go to the 73 USD for the next week. So look for the sell setup, not to buy in case of USD INR. Okay. So now we'll look for the Nifty.
So I have a doubt.
Sorry.
Hello.
Yes.
Okay, so I need to transfer some money. It's in form of USD. So what rate I should expect, and how much time it will take? 75 I should wait.
Yeah, 75 it can, and even
Okay.
to 73 USD.
Okay. Okay.
Those
Okay.
are two levels.
Okay.
Yeah. So first
Okay.
it will maybe little bit upper side it will go, then it will reverse. Maybe at the like Thursday or Wednesday or in the weekend, we can
Okay.
expect some downside.
Okay. Fine. Fine. But is it any possibility of it going more than 75, maybe a month or so?
Not looking.
Okay. Fine. Fine.
Right. Right. Fine. So here in case of Nifty, so we'll analyze little bit detail here because the structure is same, but here it is facing some minor resistance at this particular stage when I draw the trend line of this. So if you see only, if I added only to these two lines, this one down, one base and second point, it is facing some minor resistance here. I'm not saying that it is a major or a huge resistance, but if you see this just two lines, means one bottom and second bottom, if you extend it, it will be like facing some resistance there. What about upper side and where it is exactly, whether it is at 80% or at the topper line, which is drawn from the level of 12,400 and change to the downside. Both way it is true. See, this we discussed earlier. So if you remembered in the last week or so, when it was trading near this channel, so we said if it is crossing this low of maybe 10,560 or 565 or a recent low of 10,200, if it is crossing, we are expecting downside. If not, if it is consolidating and going inside the channel, there is a good chance that it is going to go and touch the channel's top. So now what can be expected in case of Nifty? Okay, this is the daily structure. So now if I just add one trend line, so this is upper line. Okay, it is not the it is not for the sell as of now, but it is presently facing some resistance. If I see time wise, maybe a 1, 2, 3 candles and 1, 2 candles. So the tomorrow's candle will be the deciding. If it is below this and closing below 10th 11,049 or 11,040, then we can say that okay, there is a downside movement, maybe up to this channels down. Okay, maybe up to this channels down, or if further maybe to this level. So that will again depend how fast it will take the earlier low, that is 10,558 level. So it will depend the further move of the Nifty, whether it is going to go for the downside or to the upside. Okay, just the time I am adding. So maybe the time it will come to the 12th August, or if I extend to this, maybe one more day, that is 13th August. Okay, these are two dates which I'm looking important, and the levels which are like a 10,560, and from here is a 10,000, sorry, 11,060 and 10,570. And if I see with a Fibonacci level, so we'll check it where it is exactly reversing, maybe at the 80% or above 61%, 61.8. Yeah, it is just behind 78%, that is 80% retracement. If you see what was the high, it is 11,385 is the level which is coming, and from here it is 11,341. So maybe a 40 points difference in the level. So if it is, so what the structure we can expect at this particular point, whether we are going to go for the flat, maybe it is going to go for the downside, that is not looking so. Why? Because the moment if you see the time, or if you compare with this to the time, to do it a flat, it has to take more time, but here it is taking a less time. What I mean to say is, so 100% of the time, so here it's 100 and 200%. So in 200%, we can't say that this structure is going to make a flat. Okay, if it is like consolidating here and again it is breaking and going high and meeting this time, that is coming near about October or something, let's say, like this, if it breaks again and going to go for the upside, then we can say, okay, this will be the 300% of the time. Then there is a chance that it will going to do the structure that of the flat. Okay, but if it reverses sudden, what might be, or what the structure we can expect is a triangle, maybe to this, or I'll just remove everything now, so it will be easy. For example, let's say it is like a one downside and this is like one upside. In between these two, there is a one more downside. So again, it depends how fast it comes and how slow. It might be this. Maybe these kinds of the structure can be expected, right? So this is the possibility of the Nifty moment if it is reversing from this point. If it is not, let's say if it is taking much more time, then there is a possibility that this structure will be going to do that of the flat. If it is taking 200 to 300% time, that will be coming near October 3 or something. So if compare with the time wise, there it will be doing the structure. I will just change the color to red so that you can compare with this. So 80% will be like 61 to 80% is a minimum. So that we can expect in case of Nifty in the daily structure, a possible structure. Okay, so getting my point. So here, if it is reversing from here, tomorrow if it opens here and closes, and day after tomorrow if still like continues falling, then we can expect it to go downside for 11,070 and then to the 10,182 and further to 9,500 if it is falling faster. If not, there is a chance it will go to the 100%. If it is going 100% in a quicker manner, let's say, if it like faster, then there is a chance like still it is making the makes the similar structure that of the triangle, not that of the flat. Okay, then the structure will be to this kind. maybe. Okay. Are you getting like what I am looking in case of Nifty? So here we will see how in hourly it is behaving. So as in the earlier week we discussed, like at least it will come to the level of channel stop if it moves inside the channel. So exactly from that level it is reversing. That is a one brilliant thing which I always amazed to see these channels, how beautifully they work. So here A, B, maybe the C or D, there is a possibility because it is a 161 or maybe the 261% of this fall. To make a neutral triangle, it is minimum to minimum, it has to touch 161%. I hope it is more than 161%. Yeah, it is more than 261%. Okay. So A, B, C, D, E, and further it can go even upper side also. But as of now, we can expect like from this down or this down. See, while whenever you draw the trend line, for example, let's say don't take this and do this. Okay, this is fine. If you just taking these two lows, low and higher low, that is fine. But when you take this low and if you want to connect here, that may not be the right way to draw the channel. So here what you need to do is, okay, take this a recent low and take this as like a second recent low and compare with this. Okay, it might come here. See, whenever you do this a low and this, you think that okay, channel has broken, so now I need to go for the sell. No, don't do that. So it will come little bit in your favor and reverse from there, because this is the right way you can draw the line. Okay, so in case of Nifty on the hourly basis, it is like upside, this can be expected. Okay, I'm removing this and this is not a right way, so I'm removing that also. So this is the present channel for me, and the lowest point is important for me is 10,500 and change. Okay, so here if it is opening let's say a downside, as it broken the nearest trend line, so if it takes some time and not going upside, there is a chance that it will come down. So how it behaves near this structure, that depends. And the time wise, if I just take here some point, so this is the time, maybe a 10th August, if it is crossing below this, we can expect downside, or else we can see a one more up also if the correction is a slower one. Let's say if it is taking much more time here and not falling, then there is a chance here we get one more upside for the level of 11,700 and 11,800 also. Okay, so what we need to look here is, as of now, stay in a sell mode. If it is crossing the level of upside, that is a high, we will be looking for the buy. Okay, so as of now you can look for the sell setup in case of Nifty. If it is coming near to the area of like let's say 11,200 or 11,300 and taking much more time compared to this downside move. What is that? Let's add one more trend line here or a channel. So here it can come a little bit up, right? Like it can go a little bit up, then a fall. Maybe if it is taking doing the structure of these kind, let's say A, B, C, D, E, if it is making this kind of a structure, it will go one more up. If not, let's say if it is coming near to this area and fastly if it is coming down, so then it will go to the downside. So tomorrow is important. So how it behaves near this area of 10,200, 11,200 and 11,000, that will depend the further structure. What about a bank nifty? Similarly, we'll do this also. A weekly structure. So if I'm just considering the low and highs, it is below 38%. So here the possible structure in case of a bank nifty in the weekly structure is, if it is below 50%, there is a chance the structure is going to do a triangle. There is a chance. Maybe that, or from here only. That is also a possibility. Okay, in the weekly structure, this is a faster, and now it is taking much more time and not moving like a nifty, and it is below 50%. Whenever it is below 50%, there is a chance that structure may do that of the triangle. Okay, so here in case of bank nifty, what we can expect for the next week, let's say this is the upper line. Okay. And for the here, it might be the this. Now it is a downside, but if I see the time wise, maybe equal. Yes. So I'll go for the hourly now. So if I want to add a one more trend line, so this will be the trend line, and I'll extend this. Or at least to this previous high. Okay, I'm removing this, so it will give some clear structure. Okay. So if something new has started here, 1, 2, or 3, 4, 5, or maybe ABC, 1, 2, 3, 4, again a 5 to the downside, a little bit downside. And but if you see the time wise, it is taking equal, I hope. So there is a chance it will go one more up before it can go any further down or further up. Okay, so in bank nifty also, there is structurally, it is not looking for the sell, because if you see this total movement for the upside with this as a reference, it is little bit slower. Okay, and if you see overall structure, let's say from this point of the time, this is the upside and looking like an impulse. After that, it might be doing that after like expanding triangle. Yes. So let's say this AB, and in the C, it is doing the expanding triangle. And after C, what will happen? So this total moment will be like one more up, right? So if I add to this down, 1, or if with this low and this low to this up, the minimum will be this, right? So that will be coming near to the 50% of the retracement. Let me check that. Yeah. Okay, in the hourly basis, it is looking for the buy, maybe up to the level of 23,166 again. Okay, or for the downside, how much we can expect? Maybe up to the level of 19,000. If it is in the slower form, let's take, if it is like going down, 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 it may come up to the level of 786, and then it will do a kind of structure. Maybe this is A and B, and this will be C. And after this ABC, upside can be expected. Okay, so here in case of bank nifty, look for buy setup as of now, because the structurally, if you see here, it is looking something for the upside. It may do expanding triangle like a structure. Let's say this is 3 and we'll go one more up at least to this. These kinds of the structure I am looking in case of Bank Nifty. Okay. So we have a 2 minutes time. So I'll just take SPX, and after that we'll be in the next session, we'll be seeing those 10 stocks and your doubts. Okay. S&P 500. Let's do for weekly. And daily. Okay. So here it is taking much more time. I mean, the structure which is S&P is making, the time wise, it may be above 200%. I say like 250 or 300% of the time. Yes, it is 200% and more than that. So at 100% of this 200, 300. Now it is more than 300%. Okay, it might be, it will do the structure that of the flat. So in the Nifty, if you look, we were around maybe at this particular point, we were seeing, okay, it might be the structure that of the triangle we may do, right? So here, if we see from this point, it was looking like a triangle, but when it fell and recovered and went upside, now there is a chance this structure will do kind of a flat structure. So what can be expected in case of this? Maybe upside 100% or even to the 138%. From that, 80% can be expected. Maybe 131% to this. 80%, maybe 60%. So these kind of a structure we can see in case of SPX on the daily basis. What about hourly?